Protected birds of the Apalachicola Bay. The Apalachicola Bay. Majestic, sensational, diverse. Located where Florida's largest river meets the Gulf of Mexico, the Apalachicola Basin drains an area of nearly 20,000 square miles, reaching as far north as the Blue Ridge Mountains. It also happens to be one of the most biodiverse locations in the southeastern United States. Among the natural life, the region provides a home to 308 avian species. While it is common to see species such as the seagull or pelican, the region also provides a habitat for other, less common shorebirds. Several avian types, including the least tern and black skimmer, also utilize a habitat which has been greatly affected by America's perpetually increasing population and infrastructure. Seagulls have managed to adapt well to the presence of humans, but other birds are not so eager for such interaction. While not officially endangered, the American oystercatcher is a species of concern in Florida. Ever independent, a hawk soars high above the coastal forest looking for prey. Listen as these small kingbirds playfully chatter. Captured briefly here, the egret is known for being a patient hunter, remaining still until its prey unwittingly comes within striking distance. With so many delicate species in the Apalachicola region, maintaining healthy populations is a major challenge. The first step is truly to understand these birds' habitats such that proper analysis can be levied. Fortunately, researchers have already begun efforts in this regard. Here, at the Apalachicola National Estuary and Research Reserve, scientists are working tirelessly to understand the threats to this fickle coastal ecosystem. The facility has significant support, with Governor Rick Scott recently committing $3 million towards bay restoration efforts. Many beaches are protected. Signs such as this one dissuade eager beachgoers from unwittingly harming ground-level nests. The Florida DEP has gone so far as to designate islands for our avian friends. When a new bridge was constructed to St. George Island in 2003, some of the antiquated structure was also left for the benefit of coastal birds, as seen here. Despite these efforts, coastal areas may be beyond therapy. The fact remains that shorebirds are continually threatened by modern man. As time marches on, one can only hope that these graceful creatures will preserve into a new age, refusing to fade over the horizon like the setting sun.